Hi guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today I'll be showing you two ways to preserve your cake for up to 1 month. The first way is with electricity and the second is without, so please stay with me. So during the Christmas, we're expecting some guests, but they didn't show up, and I had made some pound cake for them. So, of course, our family is a small one, and we knew that we were not going to finish it. So, I had to store the cake. So, in the process, I decided to share this video. So, for the first method, which will use electricity, we are going to be using cling film. But before you consider storing your cake, make sure you have a very good cake recipe. Make sure your cake bakes properly, and make sure before you wrap it up, it has cooled down completely. So as you can see, I'm laying my cling film on my work surface. Because of the size of the cake, I'll be using I want to say layers of the cling film. So I'll be putting my cake on the cling film I've layered. In case you're looking for a cake recipe, I have a number on my channel. Please go ahead and choose any one of them and enjoy. So make sure that the cling film covers every portion of the cake. Once it's all covered up, we are going to put it in the freezer so you can lift it up the way it's wrapped and put it in your freezer. If you don't have any meat or anything that can essentially get into the cake, the smell of it, right? So you can put this also in a container and store it in your freezer if you have any meat or anything that has a strong smell that you don't want your cake to absorb later on. So to enjoy your cake again, let's say the previous day, you have to put it out of the freezer, put it into your normal fridge compartment, and then allow it to thaw gradually. Then you can proceed to reheat or however you enjoy your cake, okay? So this is Africa, okay? We know the lighting situation. So I'm going to show you this second method, which does not require electricity. So I'm going to use my aluminium foil. So if you're going to be eating the cake or finishing it the following day, you can just put a bowl, a clear plastic bowl that is over the cake, and just leave it on your countertop. But if you're going to make your cake sit at room temperature for a very long time, maybe a week or more, this method is also great for you. You're going to wrap it with the aluminium foil and just leave it on your shelf in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. But the catch here is that if you do this after every 3 days, you're going to have to reheat or warm up your cake again. So either using the microwave or the oven or your air fryer even, you're going to reheat this every 3 days. That's the amount of work you have to do. So once it's warm, you allow it to cool down. So that means you'd have to peel off the aluminium foil after it's warm and then put it back onto your countertop. Let it cool down again and rewrap it. I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share when you're done watching, and let's keep this family growing. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so and join this amazing blooming family. And until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.